Hey, what is up, hello guys, hi, it's Miko, welcome back to my channel, and today is the start of midterm week. I don't really have midterms, like the classes I'm taking. I only have two, really. One for public speaking, which
was supposed to be on Wednesday, and then she wasn't going to be in school on Wednesday, so she moved it to supposedly today, but we don't have like a room meeting, so she's moving it to like the next class we have, which is next week.
and then next is UNIV, which is like a 1 to 2 slide presentation we have to do. But I have papers due for cross-cultural and college writing next week, so that's what I'm gonna be busy with this week. And yeah, right now it's 1:41. I just had lunch and I was on the phone with my friend for 3 hours. If you didn't see my story, now I'm gonna try and start working on my papers, but I want to try and like decorate my room too, because it's like my walls are like still very bare, like, so that's what I'm gonna be working on too this week. It's raining pretty hard. I'm not really sure if you can see it because like my window is like fogging, but it's like really dark out. And this sign I got from Sharkapalooza was for free. I got lazy and decided to just buy dinner in the dining hall. I finally got out of bed. It is 8:56, and my only class today isn't until like 1, and I am fully dedicated to just wearing this blue t-shirt. Not surprisingly, I'm still being really unproductive. It's really like dark out-ish, so I had to turn on like the main light, which we never really do. It's 11:04 right now. I'm having lunch. I just have the spaghetti that Mia gave me the other night, and don't leave the room until like 12:30ish, so I got lots of time. So I just left my room. I'm on my way to the UC to get on the shuttle. So it's my last day at the UPP for this semester, because this class is only half term. So it's gonna end, and it's my favorite class too.
How'd they all get down there?
Did they just fall or something?
Do we just like...
Yeah. That seems so cute.
Oh, I can't.
This is sad. Like, I'm gonna miss this class. Oh my gosh. Because I still have a 6S. That's like, we're on 11 now.
And like one day after class too, she'll be like, "How are you guys?"
Gidadaan na pod mig cupcakes ganina. I had my Excel advising, planning, thingy meeting supposedly tomorrow, but it just got cancelled. I only have one class I have to go to today. It's my UNIV class. The class normally goes from 11 to 11:50, but because it's midterms, we're scheduled for 10:30 to 12:15. I hope he doesn't make us stay the whole time because nobody really wants to. And so yeah, that's the only thing I have to do today. And then when I come back, I really need to start working on my paper. So it is currently 9:15. I got up at like 8:30 or something like that. Like I said yesterday, so my Excel advising session was canceled today because my advisor was going to be out of the office. And so it was cool because I really did not feel like going. And then I canceled my writing center appointment for my comp paper because that thing isn't due until next Sunday, so I have more time. Nada Wala by Michael Duce de Branda is finally on Spotify. I'm gonna go out and get a drink, but I don't know what exactly yet. Like, do I go to Starbucks and get like my usual, like a usual refresher because I don't drink fraps anymore, or do I go to Einstein's and get a smoothie? So I did get my smoothie because I need to walk through the UC to get to Einstein's, even though I could like walk around, but I didn't want to. There was a fire alarm, so they weren't like letting people in the building. So I'm sad now. I'm gonna try again and go get Einstein's. If you couldn't tell, I got my Einstein's. So I just decided to go get food from the dining hall for dinner. Right now it's 4:47. It's pretty early, but it's like might as well just go while I'm still like willing to leave, because it was either that or just making like cooking rice and then eating century tuna, which I'm really not in the mood for. It is 7:52. I did my pre-cal homework already. That's been done. I had dinner, took a shower, all that. And I'm just trying to get this culture study paper done because it's stressing, partly because we don't have a sample paper to work off of. So it's like I'm so confused because I work better when there's like a sample paper or like I know the shit I'm doing, but right now I just don't. And obviously I still have TOEFL playing in the other tab because that's where I'm at right now, and I just want to get this culture study paper done. So I just got a notification reminding me of my appointment tomorrow. Ikaw na pala ang may-ari ng damdamin ng minamahal ko. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muli mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muli luluha pa. answer because I have no idea if I'm writing my shit right. So I was like, let me just do the adaptations first. At least, you know, that'll be like an easy page to get through. I don't think I mentioned this like yesterday. I was able to find like 4 or 5 SLP like related pages, and like, oh my gosh, I feel so freaking attacked by this one post. So right now it's 11:20. I've done 2 1/4 pages, so I'm almost halfway. I'll start again tomorrow. Just need to make sure I like get up because my appointment's at 10, so I just need to leave my dorm at like 9:45 at least, so you know I can do it. I didn't get up as early as I would have wanted to, but it's fine. Honestly, I should have like, you know, like a decent amount of time, like just a little under 2 hours, so I should still be okay, right? It is 9:47. I am about to leave. I just need to like brush my teeth really quick because my mouth feels disgusting. So I'm back in my dorm. I went to the writing center. Then we spent like 45 minutes working on my paper, and then I got a Jamaican patty from Outtakes on the way back.
Is this broken?
So I got like my 2 loads, so like my comforter and my sheets and towel. Then I just have to go back down and get my actual clothes. I have my laundry with me, so I can finally like get to just putting these back where they need to be. My sheets are on now. Now I move on to putting my clothes in hangers. I'm watching Graceful Family. Not as usual, but like as expected, I guess. I'm just like in my bed. I redid the lights. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I'm not sure I like the actual lights that I ended up buying. I'm cooking dinner right now. It is basically chicken breast that I cut up and put in this sauce. Now 9:26. Look at that view. It was raining really hard earlier, but I'm happy it stopped. I'm just gonna finish up the last like 2 episodes. Episode and a half left of Graceful Family that's currently available. And that's where we're at right now. And like Graceful Family is getting so interesting already. Like I need to know if they end at like episode 16 or 20, because right now I can't tell. Well, it's 11:11. I'm just gonna watch a couple more YouTube videos and then call it a night. This is where I end this, like how I dealt with my first college midterm that really didn't have a midterm go on. I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.